All right.
Like and subscribe.
Why do you want me to say like and subscribe? You're so weird. All right, here we go. Shout out to Liz. So in the example of the swimming pool, go sit down. No, you can't be in the video. Go sit down.
You're not special.
So in the example of the swimming pool thing, we have this situation. Basically, it says in the example, why did the area of the garden and the swimming pool each have two significant figures? Well, we went by the least precise. Measurement. That's an S. So we went with the least precise measurement. So this is about accuracy and precision, and that had two significant figures. Or digits. Textbook says digits, but Mr. Adams keeps saying figures. All right, so now for question number 10, it says, is it possible for the perimeter of the rectangle garden to have more significant digits than the length or the width does? Yes, it is. For example, you guys writing this down? I see myself writing lots of stuff down, and I don't know. I look out, I don't see pencils moving. For example, if W was equal to 13 feet, the width, and the length was equal to 501 feet, the perimeter would equal 1,028 feet, because if you add up all the sides, and 1,028 has 4 sig figs. So that's, and let me explain this in regular words. So here I have 2 significant figures, and on this one I have 3 significant figures. But they're the same number of precision because we're rounding to the ones place. So we talk about precision, right? The level of precision is to the ones place. So when I calculate this, because it's carried to the ones place, I can leave it as an answer to the ones place. But the answer, because of the multiplication, actually has 4 significant figures. So what the question is saying, is there ever a time where you do the multiplication and you have more significant figures than you started with? And the answer is yeah, we're multiplying things. So it has to do with the least precise measurement, okay? So now we're going to be asked to do a couple of these on our own. These are both rectangles. So I'm just going to draw, and I want you guys to do the same. Just draw a little rectangle here. And so it says it's 7, and this isn't the scale, 7.6 times or by 8.25. So remember, the perimeter is equal to 7.6 plus 8.25 plus 7.6 plus 8.25. Now we're gonna have to come up with some answers. If I just do the math straight up, I get 31.7 feet. If I do that on a calculator. Okay. Well, let me show you. So we're gonna just add it up. So on the calculator, I'm gonna say 7.6 plus 8.25 plus 7.6 plus 8.25, and it just equals 30. Now, can I leave that? Yeah, because the least precise measurement is this one. That's the least precise because it goes to the tenths, 1 over 10, right? 0.01. So I could leave that way, right? Now, if I were to do the area, remember the area is the length times the width, or we could just say 7.6 times 8.25 0.25, which is equal to 62.7. But now for this one, we gotta think about the significant figures. This has two significant figures. This one has three. So we're gonna go to two significant figures. So because we're rounding to two significant figures, I look at the 7. 7 is greater than 5, so I round up. So it's 63 feet is the final answer if we're going to use significant figures. Okay? So the rules change a little bit when we multiply. A rectangular door measures 91 centimeters by 203.2. If we do the math, we say that P is equal to 91 plus 203.2 plus 91 plus 203.2. When we add all that up, it's going to be 588.4 if we plug that in the calculator. This is the least precise measurement, which goes to the 1 spot. Okay? That's supposed to say ones. So because I'm going to the 1 spot, I'm going to round here. This is 4, so I'm going to round down. So it's 588 centimeters. Okay. To do the area, same thing, length times width. We're going to say 91 times 203.2. Whoa. We just went bonkers with that one. My computer wasn't able to keep up with my speed, my handy dandy math calculation speed. So anyways, that's 18,491.2. But when it comes to significant figures, this is two significant figures. This one is 4 significant figures. So we go with the least significant figures, which is 2. So we're going to round to the thousands. I look at the 4. That means round down. So my answer is 18,000 centimeters squared. Does that make sense? Yeah, like and subscribe, weirdos.